So in this video, I'm going to show you advanced tactics that you can use when you're funnel hacking people, when you need to get inspiration, and how you should color scheme your actual landing page. When you're building your landing pages out, psychology also plays a role in also where you're targeting. Different countries, they read different elements of color on your landing page differently. For example, red in the UK versus red in the United States mean two different aspects. I'm going to dive in and I'm going to show you a couple examples if you're targeting in different geos, what colored strategies you can actually use on your landing pages that most people don't think about, but these are more advanced tactics on building your actual landing pages out. So let's dive right in. This is something very interesting to actually think about as you're building your landing pages and all your funnels. Different countries actually react different to different colors on your landing page. For example, if you're targeting in the United Kingdom, the colors of your landing page will be different if you're targeting in the United States. So these are small variations that a lot of people don't even think about. But now take a close look at my chart. Now as we scroll down, now let's take a look. In the United States, we all know that the color red represents patriotism. It's in the United States color of a flag. But think about that, in the United Kingdom, red represents danger. It represents scam alert, automatic, stay away from that. Now in Africa, that represents mourning. China, that's good luck. Now to me, this is awesome to know. For example, if you have a winning landing page in the United States, and if you go bring that same winning lander to the United Kingdom, their audience is going to react completely different than what the United States one would be. For example, if your button was like a bright orange red, that would be a big sign for the UK to stay away from that. Now, blue in the US, patriotism. So these are just some meanings of advanced psychology for any funnels that you're actually building. So I thought it'd be really awesome to share with everyone going through the training course right now. So take a very close look at this. US, independence for green. So these are some good color schemes that you can start thinking about that you actually have on your landing pages. Now look at this. If you wanted to target South Africa and you're using green, that represents death in South Africa. So you would not want to actually use that color scheme on your landing page depending on what offer you're promoting and what landing page you're targeting that geo with. So lastly, as you're building your landing pages and you're building out your campaigns, think about the psychology of the geo that you actually want to target. And if you see a competitor's landing page, like this is my landing page right here. Now, if you wanted to get the elements off someone's landing page, do not forget to actually just use ColorZilla. Color Picker, it's a Chrome extension. It's free to completely use. Now watch, all you have to do is click on it, and then you can go to any element of this, and then what you can do is click right here, boom. And now you actually have that copied to your clipboard, and you can click here, and you can just copy it over to your clipboard, and bam. Now you're targeting in the UK and you're not using red, for example, but this is just some really cool elements that you can do when you're thinking about your funnels, your landing pages, whatever you're selling, your coaching, affiliate products, anything. So I'll see you in the next video.